Good evening guys, Mrs. TG here, and tonight I'm going to be unboxing the silicone cover with strap for my Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we'll take it out of the box, have a look around it, put it on the phone and see how we go. First impressions, feels quite nice. It's a rubbery feel again. So you've got your hand strap there. As you can see, I do have the burgundy phone, but obviously you can't really see it from behind there because it covers around the cameras nice and snug. So we've got that there. So put your fingers under. So it's basically like one of those pop socket things, but it's a strap. I can imagine that probably does get a bit dirty because it is quite a really bright, vibrant green there. It looks nice on the white. Not too sure if that might have been a bit of a thing, being a metal on the phone there, but it does only cover the bottom there, where the rubber is anyway. But it's a nice grippy feel. Buttons are nice and easy to press, not hard in any type of way. I like the look of that. I'm quite a green fan when it comes to bright green like that, and I think that looks quite nice. So you've got your Samsung logo there on the back. The front is raised again, so when you put it down, it doesn't sit on the screen. See what it goes like on the surface. Oh. In all fairness, that is pretty stable. It sits flat on there. Like I said, I think the only downside with this one, it could be that it's going to get dirty. Potentially the white may get marked. Whether it'll rub off or no is another thing, but this strap I think is definitely going to be a dirt magnet, especially if you have it in like your pocket all the time as well, which I do. So yeah, only time will tell what that's going to be like when it comes to picking up the dirt. Pen. Absolutely fine to get in and out, so that's good. Nice hole there for the charger. And also it does have an adjuster. So if you've got bigger hands, see if we can clip that out there on camera. There we go. You can then obviously put it on that one. So that gives you a bit more of a bigger loophole there if you've got bigger hands or if you want it further up. And also, nice and stiff to get off so it's not too loose. It does come out. So you can maybe give the strap a wash with a scrub up with a toothbrush or something if it got that grubby. It's like a seat belt fabric. On the box when I first bought it, I must admit I thought it was going to be like a plastic, because on there it does actually look like a plastic strap. So I was a little bit disappointed to find out it was fabric, but as long as it stays clean, that's not really an issue. What do you guys think of it? I quite like it personally. I just like the brightness of the green. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think of it. Any questions, just send them on through and I'd be happy to answer if I can answer your question, that is. Personally, I think that's a 9 out of 10 for me. Also, I do have coming up, which I'm going to do the follow-on videos from now. I've got 3 other covers, a Smart View cover, two more Samsung and a S22 one to unbox in my follow-on videos. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and a subscription would be nice. And I'll catch you again on my next video. Bye for now.